Alright, here you go.
Alright. Hey, we're here at this car meet. This man's about to tell us what to park.
Hey, alright. So, I mean, just go anywhere?
Just go and park. So like, it's like a whole bunch of... I wasn't.
Say it.
No.
I say real shit.
I wasn't.
It's a bunch of white people out here. I feel like they racist. But
you know we're in the redneck town though, so.
South Khaki. This is where it all originated.
I was saying they're having a Rotary Fest
Get out the way.
and a car meet at the same time, so.
But I don't know what a Rotary Fest is, so we ain't gonna check that part out because it costs money and we ain't about that life.
We don't know for sure if it costs money or not.
I'm in the camera. Oh, my bad. I haven't been on like vlogging for like 2 weeks straight. Cause you know, when you live in that vlog life and you got 26 million subscribers, you gotta take a break from that. You know what I mean?
Speak it into existence.
Yeah, that's how you own it.
Hallelujah.
Cause at the end of the year, we're gonna have 1,000 subscribers, by the way. Even if that means I gotta create 1,000 secret accounts, don't matter. Let's go.
All right. Oh. I can't get out the car.
I can't.
You want me to record
I'm
it?
gonna give it to you. I gotta show something. It's tight. Oh, the camera ain't even on me. But, so you can't tell me that ain't tight. The Volvo. It's tight and it's not even in the car show yet. I want one. Oh, I can't show license plates. Wow. Babe, I don't want to hold this in public.
I do it.
Vlogging in public, it's so weird. Hold the camera. You said you'd do it.
I don't know what I said.
Make sure it's on you, because they ain't got a wide angle lens. You ain't gonna talk?
Yes.
I mean, you can cut it off until we get up there.
What I'm gonna talk about?
Give me the thing. We'll see how like. Oh, Hellcat. It's not on. Yes, it is. You know, people strive for the camera. Move. Move your hand.
I forgot my shoes back.
I'm leaving that in here. It's... Hey, look.
Really?
It's not bad at all. Y'all, look at that damn shit right there. Trying to get me about that. We gonna take a little look. I'm about to cut the camera off, so I ain't gotta hear nobody tell me what to do. Out here in the wrong neck of the neighborhood, in Gilbert.
I stay out here.
Yeah, and you can't even walk the streets and be safe. Alright, see y'all in a little bit. Alright, YouTube. I call it YouTube.
It is.
I don't know what side to go to. Cobra, they're going that side. Mustang, Fox body for sale, but it's a convertible. Don't you need a car?
Mm-hmm.
First car.
A little bit more.
I ain't said shit like that.
You said something cussing.
Oh, can't help it. That's a big jump. 12,000, let's keep walking. No, that's nice, bro. Okay, you can hold the camera because I don't want to. Hey, we gotta go over here.
No.
That's where it started off.
Show this shit. I got it.
I can't see.
I guess you can't see. About Ford. Dream car. Not my dream car. Don't know what that is. That's not a car. That's an engine. Stingray. Right.
It's only $5 people are like,
Including us. They looking at Camaros, so they gay. Never mind, I like that Camaro. Hold the camera so they won't beat me up when it's filming it. Make sure you're aiming at something. No, you're not.
I am aiming at that.
I wish my phone recorded. I'll make them a little slide by shots. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
I would go over there and look at that stuff, but I don't really care. What?
When you edit it, is it gonna be us talking in it?
Yeah, because that's boring. That was me. I want one of these cars so bad. Yeah, it's That's what your daddy had. I bet it was the same color.
It wasn't. My daddy called it
Cousin,
Oh.
who's 2 years older than me.
I felt like y'all said brown.
He showed up in his mom's 83 Firebird, picked me up. I couldn't drive.
I want one of
And
these
he'd
so
take me
bad.
out all day, raising sand in this Firebird.
My daddy sold it for just
I know. Y'all crazy.
Yeah, at the time, that was the coolest thing ever, man. He was 14 years old, and the older cousin picked up
Bang.
I know.
Look at this El Camino.
I know a girl named Chevelle. We call her Chevy for short.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Nitrous.
We call her Chevy. You see her?
My couple is
One of her boyfriends worked at Wendy's, but they always had drama because he had 5 kids by this one girl.
my people don't care about that.
Drama.
For the Dodge people. That's too life. I know, right? I should have drove my Thunderbird. What? With the big ass engine. That's on bad. It gotta be on bad. What? What that thing about that? It's a person?
That's low life.
No, that's real low life.
Oh, yeah.
Super low life. Gotta have a dream. That's what the day is about. Hey. Oh my God. Hey. Oh my God. Hey. Oh, it's S2000. I want one of them too. Oh, Cobra. No, I don't like the Virgin, but they all like the Virgin. Scat, man. I really want to skate. I might put this engine in my car. In the bird. That's low too. The Mustang. It's not that low, but it's low.
That's low.
That's not low. I'm here, okay.
I was just thinking
Firebird. My Thunderbird better than not really.
Am I asking?
What?
Wyatt.
Oh, I thought you were about
See
cranking
how I
it.
have Wyatt? I knew you had.
You said, are you Ash? Oh,
No,
No.
I put my initial.
wow.
Yeah, man. Hey, thanks for
What's up, YouTube? But I was about to start a video. Anyway, I recorded the ending to that video, but some kind of way it got messed up in the files, so I'm on the computer right now, but I gotta clear up some space, and then I'm gonna put the ending to that video, and now I'm about to go outside and finish recording the other video that I'm starting right now. So comment, like, subscribe. Sorry I didn't get too much footage. Like I said, they all got deleted some kind of way, and see you guys on the next video. Deuces.
What a hell of a feeling, I'm living large. I'm a hell of a nigga, I'm still in charge.